morning, class 6. From today we will start exercise 4.4. Okay, find the HCF of the following numbers using the long division method. So in this exercise you will learn how to find HCF. HCF is highest common factor. How to find the highest common factor? Okay, here we have two methods. One is long division method and another is prime factorization method. First is long division method. You have to find HCF by long division method. Highest common factor. So first question number A is 81, 18 and 54. You have to find the HCF of these three numbers by long division method. For that, what we will do, first we will write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to largest number. 18, 54 and 81. So first what we will do is we will divide this 54 by 18. Okay, we will divide 54 by 18. So 18 3s are 54. Now this 18 will divide 81 now. Now this 81 will be divided by 18. 18 4s are 72. So remainder will be 9. Now this remainder 9 will divide this 18 again. 9 2s are 18. So last is 9. No, when you divide 18 by 9, remainder is 0. So this is your HCF, highest common factor. So highest common factor HCF is 9. Now next question number B. This is B. 96, 175 and 44. Same, we will write in ascending order. 44, 96 and 175. We will divide this 96 by 44. So 44 2s are 88. Remainder will be 8. Now this remainder 8 will divide this 44. 8 5s are 40. Again remainder is 4. This 4 will divide 8. 4 2s are 8. So last is 4. So this 4 will divide 175. So 4 4s are 16. Then 5 will come down. 15. 4 3s are 12. Remainder is 3. So this is your remainder. This remainder will divide 4. 3 1s are 3. So remainder is 1. So 1 will divide 3. 1 3s are 3. So finally remainder is 0. So this is your HCF. So HCF of 44, 96 and 175 is 1. So this is your long division method. Now we will do prime factorization method. How to find HCF by prime factorization method. Number A, 84 and 112. So prime factorization means you have to find the factors. No, factorization. Find the factors of 84 and 112. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. So the factors of 84 is 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Similarly, find the factors of 112. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. 7 1s are 7. Now the factors of 112 is 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So here we will find the common factors. So 1 2 2 7. So to find HCF, we will just multiply those common factors. 1 into 2 into 2 into 7. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. So the factors of 84 and 112 is 28. Now next 70, 105, 175. We will find the factors of 70 first. 2 35s are 70, 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. So the factors of 70 is 1 into 2 into 5 into 7. 105, 3 3s are 9, carry 1, 3 5s are 15. 5 7s are 35. 7 1s are 7. So the factors of 105 is 1 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now 175. 5 3s are 15 to 25 now. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 7 1s are 7. So the factors of 175, 1 into 5 into 5 into 7. Here we will find factors, common factors 1, 5, 7. So HCF is 1 into 5 into 7. 1 5s are 5, 5 7s are 35. So the HCF of 70, 105 and 175 is 35.